Hi everyone, welcome back to another Leetcode, and today we are going to do the problem called find the index of the first occurrence in a string. Yeah, that is a mouthful. So basically you're given two strings, a needle and a haystack, and you need to return the index of the first occurrence of needle. So if not, you have to return -1. Okay, let's look at the example. You have a haystack with a string called set but set, and then you have to find set. So you can see that there are two occurrences here and here, but the first occurrence is at index 0, so you return 0. In the second example, you have a needle that is not found in haystack, so you have to return -1. Okay, so I'm just going to code up the solution and I'm going to explain to you how it works. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to just iterate through the haystack, and we're going to iterate through the haystack. Let's just code that up quickly. And now we're going to check, we're going to create what's called a window, and we're going to check if that window is actually equals to the needle. So we're going to take haystack dot substring, and we're going to look at the current index and the index plus the needle dot length. So we have the needle size window, and we're going to check if it equals to needle, and then if we find it, we're going to just return the index, and if not, we're just going to return return -1. So that's basically the solution. It's actually quite concise, very simple solution here, and we're just going to run this test case, and we have a pass for both cases. Let's just submit that, and we have a accepted solution. So if you're looking at this time complexity here, it's actually time complexity of O(n plus m), because it's actually taking into consideration both the haystack and the needle here. So if you're looking at the time complexity, the runtime is actually not that good, so maybe we can actually improve this. So I think the simplest way we can actually improve this is basically just not iterate through the whole of the haystack. So because if you're looking at the check here, we're looking at the substring of this window of I till I plus needle dot length. So if we're getting to, for example, the end of the haystack, we're actually checking things that don't exist in the haystack. So we can actually remove that. We can go back to the problem here, and we can just minus needle dot length. Then let's just run this, and it still works. Test case pass. Let's submit it. Okay, we have a wrong answer. Let's just use this test case. And I think we can just -1 here, and let's run it. Or maybe we have to +1, so -1. Let's run. Okay, now we've accepted that case there. Okay, so let's submit it, see if it works. Okay, now we've actually improved that time complexity is no longer O(n plus m), because we've actually removed that needle length. We're now a time complexity of O of n. So there's a slight improvement there. So we've come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell for your notifications. So if you have any questions regarding this problem, you can just drop a comment below, and we're going to do more of these Leetcodes, and stay tuned for that, and I will see you in the next video.